Hey guys, before we get started, I'm really excited. We finally have some merch for the channel. We have a shirt that looks like this. It comes in many different sizes and colors. If you want one, click the link in the description below. Support the channel, get the merch. Let's get started. Oh, what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today's video is gonna be awesome. I know it's a really gloomy day out here in Okinawa, Japan, but there's some really awesome cars behind me. So this Stagea 260Rs is fully built. It's got big fat T78 turbo. You guys know my car, but this A70 Supra is also built. 1JZ, nice work wheels, big turbo, about 500 horsepower. So this car, absolutely stunning. So there's a lot of money put into it. It's got obviously aftermarket front bumper. So he says it's a Series 1 Stagea with a Series 2 front end. It is pearl white. It's got R34 wheels, DBA rotors. If you guys price DBA, you guys know how expensive those are. Yellow stuff brake pads, fully built, you know, head and bottom end. But the problem is this car is too quiet. You can hear it just idling currently. You can barely tell that it's on. Right now it currently has it's got a 3-inch Nismo and a SARD high flow cat. We're gonna let this thing breathe with throwing a test pipe and a 3.5-inch Kakimoto. It's gonna sound freaking awesome. So, as you can tell, the car sounds fantastic, but it's just too quiet. We need to hear this thing scream, let it breathe a little bit, get some more power out of it, get some pops and bangs. He said his wife thinks it's already too loud, and that's not true. It can never be too loud, right? So, we're gonna open this thing up, get on the lift, let it cool down, let's get started. Love the best mod here. The suspension on the hood, so he doesn't have the hood prop anymore. He just opens it, lets it go. It's pretty awesome. But check this out. There's so much stuff I can't even list it, but this car has a ton of money poured into it. That T78 turbo blanket. A really cool touch is the valve cover is painted to match the same pearl white as the exterior. This car is in great shape. You can see the strut towers all look good. Man, this thing sounds awesome. I'll give you guys some better sound clips when the turbo spools and stuff. It sounds fantastic. So you're running a no blow off valve, right? Yeah. So you get all this. So you guys are gonna love it. We're gonna get this car on the lift, let it cool off, and swap this thing out. I guess I should have featured this car. Check out the Haltech setup. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Nismo shift knob. Oh, confetti Recaro seats. Everybody's favorite. This car is full of surprises. Awesome features. It's got an airbag. And S1s, we die like real men. This is Kakimoto. If you guys have a Stagea, this is the part number. Pretty cool. I think that's mean it's packaged with love. I'm not sure. Man, exterior wise though, check out the wheel. They're in such great shape. Like you'll see a lot of R34 wheels that are for sale, but that are, you know, got nicks and curbs in them. That all 4 of these wheels look to be in perfect condition. That's a good looking wheel, man. Fits this car. Do you have spacers on it? Yes. I was like, man, the fitment is perfect. Check out the fitment. Just perfect.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah.
So check out truss oil pan. He said this is the lowest point on his car, and by looking at it, it is. And that is absolutely terrifying. Man, see this SARD high flow cat? Got the resonator on there. The new Kakimoto does not have a resonator. Big fat canister. The Nismo exhaust comes out to this really unique oval exhaust. So I'm not necessarily a huge fan of this. The new Kakimoto is going to be a lot more aggressive, a lot more sporty. So the issue with this exhaust is it goes all the way 3-inch into the resonator inside is a 2.5-inch, and back out to a 3-inch. So it does a good job of making it quiet, but it's probably robbing power and obviously robbing fireballs and extra sound and all that good stuff. So let's open this thing up. Oh, we got the Flex Z T coilovers. Oh, Christmas in January? Oh, it's got the weird. Yeah, it's about to be all scratched up, so once you start scraping on stuff. Man, that looks good. And that right there is exactly how a resonator should look. Basically nothing. Dude, that's tip.
The big boy.
Oh yeah, that looks nice. Let's see if I can, I got huge hands. Oh yeah, that's what, it's like a 5-inch tip. Yeah, it's gonna look sick. Man. It's got really unique connecting points here. It's got the 4 bolts there, and it's got the 3-bolt triangle up front. Is that gonna be an issue? Okay, so
well, it's also a neck up tip. So it's 3 to 3.5.
Oh, so this scared the crap out of us. We noticed that this connection is 3-volt. If you see, it's like a rotary engine there. And then to the motor, the front of the test pipe to the downpipe is only a 2-volt. We were like, what's happening? And then he pulled this out. He's like, oh yeah, I forgot. So, whew, it saves us. Thank God, dude. While we got a second, I'll show you what else is in here. We have the GC8, rocking the Tomei. This is the RA, right? Yeah, this is the GC8 RA, super rare car. Huh? Okay, this is the owner. She's over here chowing down. Sorry for interrupting your breakfast. But check this out. Oh yeah, that's awesome. I love the headlight delete, the turbo inlet. That is awesome. I've heard of this car drive by. It sounds pretty good. And I know some of you guys love Altezas. Check out this wide body. Getting some work done. He's running on hopes and dreams here. 1 week before Race Wars. I don't know whose car this is, but when it's finished, it's gonna be wild. There you go. Hopefully these come off that easy. That was pretty awesome, actually. Dang, dude, this is a pro, man. Yeah, like seriously, he's got a knack for this. Like, I'm telling you, whenever I'm on hangers, dude, it takes like 10 minutes. Oh, there we go. Oh. Boom, and look at the size of this exhaust. Like, this is like the length of a K car. Like a cappuccino. That is massive. So if you see right here, this is a pretty common issue, I guess. The Nismo hangers are really close together, but the Kakimoto hangers are really far apart. You said the Nismo are what, 4 inches apart?
Yeah, but the 4.5
and these are 9. So we're looking at, they rotate, so they're spread them out like that. Hopefully they'll fit. I don't see why not. Oh, dude, that looks good. That already looks really good like that, dude. Oh yeah, it's gonna go right in there. Oh, coming out of, oh dude, that looks so sick. Yes, straight pipe, start it up. Dude, that looks way more aggressive. I love the angle, how it comes out like that. Flashing that Kakimoto badge. Man, that is, you can see how much fatter the piping is. Let this bad boy breathe. What do you say, about 600 horsepower? 550, yeah. So this car sitting about 550 horsepower, needs some more airflow, and he's doing it right. What a great choice in exhaust. Oh man. Yeah, I think it definitely needs a carbon fiber exhaust shield there. That would be freaking awesome. Now, I like the way this car looks from this angle, the wing. That's all. That's so cool. Test pipe. Woo! Just install it here and just have it. I just run. Now, is that wireless exhaust, or you just run it? Is that a Tomei test pipe?
Yeah.
This dude dropping money on a Tomei test pipe. Literally just metal and titanium, but it says Tomei, so it was like $600.
For the sticker.
For the sticker. As long as if it's like mine and it doesn't get loud until
You got an
after
aftermarket ECU to set your rev limiter at 2,500. Yeah, that's what I did.
That's what he did.
Yeah.
That's okay. You gotta say that again. So to get around the JCI, they rev your car up to 4,000 and check your dBs to make sure it's not too loud. He said he set the Mark III's rev limiter to 2,500. So when they revved it up, it could only get to 2,500. So it passed. That is freaking hilarious.
Call it a valet tune.
Oh my gosh.
Just want to make sure it's going to fit around that other one. Okay.
They're small.
Yeah, really little.
Oh, yeah.
Slide your gas.
It's like a wiener. I'm over here talking shit, nobody's listening.
So she said.
He said, this is small. I was like, yeah, just like your wiener. Oh, dude, that looks
Are these actually bigger?
awesome. Dude, I'm really excited to hear this. This sounds so good. So everything is officially on. Looking really good. He's doing the last finishing touches here, tightening everything up. But we're all connected. Hey, this is a adapter piece. It's pretty bizarre, but it's still, everything fits nicely.
It's a 3-inch down pipe.
Oh yeah, fair enough. Yeah, it goes from a 3-inch test pipe, a 3-inch down pipe, 3-inch test pipe, to a 3.5-inch step up to the exhaust. Oh yeah. I'm really excited to hear this thing. It's gonna open up a lot, and his wife is gonna be very excited as well. While he's tightening this up, let's check out this FD and this Z32 out here. I hope it's not too windy out here, guys, but man, pretty cool. FDRX7, stagger wheel setup with the wing, the roll cage inside. Jeez, tons of gauges. That, and then you have the Z32 and work CR Kais in bronze, aftermarket exhaust. I don't know if this is twin turbo or not. Got a bunch of stuff inside. I don't know. This car looks like it's been here for a minute. It's got tons of leaves on it. I don't know. Maybe he's doing a motor swap. I'm not sure what's going on with this thing. But I always like to show you guys. What's in the parking lot out here. Jeez, is that a JZX90? JZX90 Chaser? What? Literally nothing left of this. I think it's a 90. Pretty sure it is. The Crown Majesta. It's a pretty cool car. JZX 100 Chaser. Aftermarket wheels. Aftermarket exhaust. Looks like he's waiting on a motor swap. Subaru BRZ. I'm sorry. Subaru Legacy. I don't know why it's the BRZ. Yes. We gotta check this car out after we do the exhaust. Got the custom plate on there for the A70. Work wheels. Really nice looking car. Check out this S14 Sylvia. Titanium exhaust. Full kit. It is a Koki. Missing a motor and front end. The Altezza with no motor as well. Yeah, I'm so sorry for the wind noise, guys. You guys are getting a lot of wind noise. Check out the 8.6 though. On the lift. It is 11. Oh man, this Altezza has all-wheel steering. That is unfortunate. Oh, first startup. Make sure it's a 9 gear, yeah. It's already like twice as loud. Dude, it looks fantastic. And it sounds good. That's how a Stagea 260Rs should sound right there. Man. There you go. Good job on the build there. Yeah, man, that is awesome. 2,500, a little rev he's gonna give. 3,000 maybe. Dude, that sounds really good. Oh, yes. have Mike show us around his A70 Supra, rocking the 1JZ. Let's check out the cooling panel. Ooh, look at that. All the piping. Custom done. See some Tomei cam gears. HKS coilovers. What turbo is this?
Borg Warner S362.
Borg Warner S360. How much boost?
21.
21 pounds. Woof. You said making about 500 horsepower-ish over there?
Yeah, roughly.
Nice. That thing is beautiful. The engine bay is super clean. This whole car is really clean. I know it's hard to tell how things look in videos, but this car with the work wheels, big Evo Brimbos, or the Evo 79 rotors or calipers, or what?
Yeah, Evo 9.
Even on calipers. Got the stagger setup wheels. I love these wheels with the copper lip. I think it looks really good, especially on the black car. So I know the Mark III, the A70 doesn't get as much love as it should. But there are people that appreciate it, so this car is super clean. It sounds really good. Man, nice work. Thumbs up of approval. That's awesome. So we're gonna ignore the mic back there. She is so much louder. Oh. Yes, it sounds so good. Dude, he fried my wind muff. It's burned to a crisp. That's so funny. That's cool, man. I got an extra one. That's hilarious, though. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for the video. I talked to Greg. He said he absolutely loves the sound. It's a great improvement on both volume and tone. Like all the car guys behind me looking at this stuff. That's funny. But I want to give a huge shout out to Mike for helping. These two dudes knocked the whole install out in like 20 or 30 minutes, and then they did a brake rotor swap as well. So these guys know what they're doing. This is gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, and as always, I'll see you next time.